Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create book content for Instagram page. This time I will be using Canva to create book content for my Instagram page. Let's just say I am focused on creating motivational quotes. You can use ChatGPT to generate motivational quotes for you. So here I have 5 motivational quotes. You can ask more if you want. Go back to Canva and then you have to look for Instagram. Let's just say I will be using bulk Instagram Reels for my Instagram content. So I have to tap on Reels. Here you have to go to design and then look for the specific design that you want. Let's just say inspirational quotes. You can select from any of the template and design right here. Once you have found that, then all you have to do is to click or drag this to the blank page. Now, what you're going to do here is you can just basically change the font style, the font size. You can resize this one. You can also change the color. Everything is up to you. You can also add elements, objects, and you can change the image if you want. So here I have added below my Instagram username, or let's just say my Instagram page, and then above is my name. Now here I am going to add inspirational motivational quotes here. I am going to introduce to you this bulk create, but you can only use this if you are using the upgraded version of Canva. So we will be creating a bulk template for our reels. Tap on apps here. Now you have to look for the bulk create here on the left side. Tap this one. And then after that, what you're going to do is you have to tap on enter manually here. I suggest to put all your inspirational quotes or whatever you want to add here on your Microsoft Excel or your Google Sheet so that it would be easier for you to copy and paste it right here. For this time, I will be doing it manually. So I'll go back to ChatGPT, copy that inspirational or motivational quotes, and then paste it here. So I strongly suggest again to do it or to copy and paste it using your Microsoft Excel or your Google Sheet. Paste it here one by one. So as a result, this is what it looks like. Now, once you're done, then all you have to do is tap on enter or click done. Now it is now added to your Canva. And then the next thing to do here is just connect data each of the text box inside Canva. So I'm going to tap the first box, connect data to the first one, the second box, right click, connect data, connect to the second one. And then after that, I can now tap generate. You can review first before tapping generate and then generate designs. Wait for a couple of seconds and you should see another folder where you can see here your template. So basically, this is how you create book content for your Instagram page. You can also add up to 10, 20, you can add 30. Everything is up to you. Now you can recheck, edit, add effects. Everything is up to you. Once done, tap on share, download. Now, if you want to add some voiceover, I strongly suggest to use 11 Labs for that. All you have to do is to copy and paste the script right here for this one, and then tap on generate or text to speech. Now you will see the result and then download. To edit it all, you can use CapCut. Just use the 916 dimension and then add the text to speech also this template that you have created using Canva. And after that, you can post this to your Instagram page. And that's how to create book content for Instagram page.